Hello everyone, today we will make a bird family canvas painting, so let's get started. So firstly trace the design on your canvas or else you can draw it freehand. Now take your canvas and start merging white and blue and create a light blue shade. It should be very light and you can mix it directly on the canvas as it do not require much mixing that we should do in a palette. And all the materials are linked right in the description box below, so if you want to buy any of the materials then all the materials are there. And if you're new at my channel then don't forget to subscribe and also share it with your family and friends. And if you have any of the doubts in this painting then you can ask me right in the comments. I will be very happy to answer all your comments. And also comment me below that which art you want to learn. I will be making a video on that also. And also give your reviews in the comment section. I will be always glad to read and reply your comments. Also visit my blog linked in the description box. Now we have to just outline everything and make some more leaves and give it some final touches. Now it's all ready.